What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be working on the 350Z as usual. We're getting back into it, you guys. So right now we're gonna be doing the other side for the side splitter right here. As you guys can see, there's these little winglets and then there's like another plastic piece in the middle. I made them. It's not exactly how I want them to be, but you know, let me see, the side pieces were about 25 bucks. And that middle plastic piece was about another 10, 15 bucks. For about, what is that? I'm not good at math. 25 plus 15, about 40 bucks or so. For side splitters, that's actually pretty decent price. But then you have to buy the opposite side, so that's another 25 bucks. So about for 65 bucks, you get a good custom side splitter, which to me is a really good deal. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it. I'm gonna show you guys the pieces that I use. Man, I haven't started this car up in a while. Let's see if it starts up. No! It's dead. So we got the jumper cables hooked up. Start it up. Come on, baby. Ha 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 ha! Yes, sir. Bless, sir. Man, I don't know if you guys are aware, but there's a whole bunch of fires going on in California, and look at how it looks outside. Damn, it's all smoky. Yo, you guys, check this out. This thing is literally on the ground. This is the little winglet thing that I found online for about 25 bucks or so. Anyway, I started chopping it up because I was mocking it up before. But anyway, I thought I'd just show you guys what the splitter winglet type thing looks like. So there's two pieces. There's the front one and the back one. They're pretty much identical, or they are identical. Challenge that I had with these side skirts are that they have these little, I don't even know, like the shape of it is not just straight across, right? So the curve matches the side skirt. I'm gonna mount them like this, and then the same with the front. But the curve on the front end is a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna have to adjust it just a little bit.
Probably like this.
Yeah, almost like that. And then I have like this piece of acrylic or ABS that I'm gonna just use to fill in this middle section here. I did the same thing over here. It's not finished yet. I'm still mocking it up, but I just wanted to start this project and show you guys. So I'm gonna be mocking this up on top of this side skirt here.
Yep, that's good. Yeah. It's so slam. It hits the ground all the time, every time. Yeah, babe.
Okay, so now that we got the winglets laid out. Now we have to go ahead and make the middle section here. And for that, I'm gonna be using some plastic or acrylic, I don't know what you call it. This here. Alright guys, so I just marked out what I want to cut out on top of the plastic thingy down there. And so we're gonna get to the cutoff wheel right now and cut it out, and then I'm going to self tap it into place on the side skirt, and then I'm just gonna paint it black for now, and then eventually I plan on like molding it all into one piece. Alright guys, always make sure you're wearing safety glasses when you're gonna do this kind of stuff, especially with this, because this is gonna become hot plastic and it's gonna just shoot everywhere, as you guys will see. So pretty much what I'm doing is there's this lip or like edge right here. So when you line this up, it can sit flush against it and give it a more cleaner look, I guess you could say.
Isn't it wrong?
Drill the hole in the wrong side of the thing. Damn
What
it.
you doing?
Drill the hole in the wrong spot. Oh. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I put the splitter back on the car, or the side skirt back on the car. It's kind of hard to see it here, but you guys kind of get the gist of it. So you guys can tell it like follows the line of the side skirt, which is what I wanted. It's hard to see on that side, but this side is pretty much the exact same thing. So you guys can see that looks good. I don't know, I like it. I might be getting different side splitters. This is just something for now, a little project that I wanted to do. If you guys want to win this sticker that I made in the beginning of the video, just go ahead and drop a comment below. Make sure you also like and subscribe, and I'll choose a random winner and I'll message you and I'll send this out. I'll give you guys to the next time I upload. So the next video, I will announce who won this sticker. So like I said, just go ahead and drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and maybe you could win that sticker. This sticker is an exclusive sticker. It's not on the store. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the store, but as you can see, it's nice and shiny. The kanji right there just says garage, so diamonds on a budget garage. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, all right? Peace out and stay good.